John also adds an unconventional twist to John delivering blood to the NHS.
And give baby a kiss.
Private.
Huh? Hi, Bella. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Hi, baby. Get her. Get her. Oh, careful. Bella, here comes Bella. Here comes Bella. Here comes Bella. Mwah. Welcome to Monday? I think it's Monday. Hello. Welcome to Brie Maquillage. I'm Brianna, your resident panda. I have an appointment in like 15 minutes. And I need to like at least put on foundation, basically. Maybe foundation and eyebrows. I don't know what is breaking me out. I'm dying. So let's throw on some foundation. She said she's gonna be here in like 1 second. So I'm gonna wet my sponge and get the heck to getting. This is like the 10-minute makeup challenge. You'd think I would just, try to be done earlier. Try to get myself together earlier. But no, I'm the worst. Okay. 10-minute makeup challenge starting now. 1 minute to spare, mother suckers. Oh, I look bad. Oh, I look bad. I look bad. I feel like I need, like, eyeliner. Okay. Now I don't look as weird. We did it. Actually, 4:25? Oh my gosh, we did it like on the dot. Stop it. That's so funny. Okay, let's clean up here. Let's clean up. I mean, I did good. Like, did my full face of makeup. What's happening? I don't know if today's the great day to like rate this powder because I didn't apply very well. But did my makeup, set up the bed set with my diffuser, and then covered the windows. She's not here yet, so I'm feeling good as hell. And let me set up my camera. My session just finished. I just uncovered all of my windows. I think I'm gonna leave those up because I know I have another session soon. So I'll just leave them up. And I'm gonna go, I have to sneeze. I'm gonna go bug Chelsea and Savannah over at Storybrooke. Let's go bug them. Okay. It is 6 p.m. I've just closed the doors and I'm gonna head home to my sick babies. My nanny just texted me, well, Snapchatted me, but she snapped me and the girls are sleeping in bed. They're so sick. Am I gonna go home without shoes? Abso-freaking-lutely. I sure am. I need a car key. Okay, let's turn off all the lights. Okay, let's leave. Yeah. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Should I go put my shoes on? It's so freaking hot. My feet are burning. Ow. Okay. Unlock, 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 unlock. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, beach. freaking burned. Ugh. I have not eaten all day. I think I had like a Rice Krispie treat. Yes. Okay, let's go home, Peaches. Look at that view. Dying. At home, this is undoubtedly the best part of the day. Not walking on hot pavement with no shoes. Oh, mommy. Wait, Bella likes me. Bella. Hi. Come here. Come here. Hi. Yes, baby. Yummy. Okay. Look. Ooh. What you doing? What happened? Did you Jenga into your guacamole? Get your piece.
It's stuck though.
Get your piece.
You need to sit for something else.
No! You can't!
Baby, it's stuck! It's stuck!
No, you can't get another piece! I can use it to actually put lipstick on.